McCartney may have left behind the dreamy gardens of strawberry fields. But this week, he found his own version of paradise under a highway in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yes, seriously. The former Beatle took to TikTok on Thursday to share a surprisingly chill video of himself lounging on a riverbank just below a massive overpass. With the sound of cars humming above, McCartney turned his camera around to show off what he called a pretty big, groovy view of the Arkansas River. "Beautiful, isn't it?" he says, smiling as the wind ripples across the water. Sure, the background features a bit of graffiti and concrete, not exactly Abbey Road vibes, but if Paul sees beauty there, who are we to argue? After all, this is a man who once turned a yellow submarine into art. At one point, McCartney even greets a butterfly fluttering nearby, though the insect never quite makes a cameo on camera. "Feels like springtime," he adds cheerfully, despite it being October. Only Sir Paul could make mid-autumn in Oklahoma feel like a day in May. The TikTok moment comes in the middle of his Got Back tour, which made a stop earlier this week at Tulsa's BOK Center. From there, he's headed south for a show at San Antonio's Alamodome before continuing through New Orleans, Atlanta, and Nashville, keeping the legend alive city by city. So yes, Paul McCartney's Oklahoma adventure might not be the most glamorous stop on his journey, but between the graffiti, the river, and that invisible butterfly, he somehow made it feel magical. Then again, when you've written songs like Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds, maybe finding beauty under an overpass just comes naturally.